Uh, 1 minute, I think.
Hello.
Is it my voice is audible to all you people?
Yeah,
Can
it's
you?
audible to me at least.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's audible.
Okay. Good evening, all. My name is Manjunath. Okay. So from now onwards, I'll take this batch. So this is SAP PP, correct?
Yes, sir.
Production planning. Okay.
Correct.
Correct. Yeah. So to be frank, I don't have prior information about what has happened till now. So you people let me know what has happened till now, what has been covered, so that we will continue from there. So before that, I want to know. I want you people to introduce yourself, and let me introduce myself also, so that it will be convenient for everyone. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. So how many people are there in this batch totally?
I think 15 members is there, sir.
Okay, total 15 members. But regularly, how many people? How many people join?
That we don't know, sir.
Okay, no problem. So no problem. Okay. So I just wanted to know how many classes are completed, or how many count. So till now, till today.
Up to master data completed, sir. They started just now MRP run.
Okay, so in master data, what has come? The material master, routing, work center, and bill of materials. So four master data has been completed.
Yes.
Yeah, production version also explained.
Production. Okay, production version also. So in MRP they started it. Okay.
Just started, but need to have detailed discussion on MRP.
Okay. Fine. So how many classes over in terms of hours? So for the master data.
8 or 9, sir.
8 or 9. Okay, fine. No problem. So you let me please introduce yourself one by one, so that maybe it will be helpful for me to address you people properly, or that will be.
Yeah, I will start from myself, Rajesh Pillai.
Yeah, hi Rajesh.
Hi Rajesh. Yeah,
you are
good
evening.
evening.
Good evening.
Myself, Rajesh Pillai. I am a user of end user of SAP for the last many years. And I am taking care of PPP function in the automobile industry here in Haryana.
Haryana. Okay. So you have a quite amount of year of experience.
Yeah, I have experience 20 years plus, and I have been an end user of SAP, PP, as well as MM for the last 10 to 11 years. But, just I wanted to understand more in detail on PP and MM. That's why I conducted and started this training course.
Okay. Thank you. So next who will? Yogesh?
Yogesh. Myself, Yogesh Sangre. I am from Maharashtra. I have more than 14 years experience in automobile sector.
Okay.
Now I am working with Mahindra. I don't have that much knowledge in SAP and all. That's why I joined here.
Okay. So you currently are working in Mahindra and Mahindra in automobile industry from last 14 years.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So now you wanted to learn SAP. No problem. Yeah. Okay. So next, who will? Himanshu?
Yes, sir. I am Himanshu Bhogekar from Maharashtra, Nagpur. Currently I am working with Endo International Private Limited, Indore. From last 1 year, I am using SAP for the checking of the material data. That's all knowledge I don't have about SAP for the learning new thing, and that's why I joined the SAP.
Okay, that is fine. However, you people don't know SAP as a consultant, you may be having experience in the as a end user. That's okay. But what currently or whatever your past experience, that will be good if you say. Okay. So
Yes,
next, Rahul Rai.
हाँ सर राहुल है गुड इवनिंग
Good evening.
सर मेरा नाम राहुल है मैं टेक्सटाइल में जॉब करता हूँ
कहाँ पे?
टेक्सटाइल से अहमदाबाद
Ahmedabad.
जी सर
Okay. Currently, on what you are working?
27 after session
No, I'm not able to hear you properly.
सर मैं अहमदाबाद में भी पिछले 6 मंथ से जॉब कर रहा हूँ टेक्सटाइल ग्रुप में सर
Okay, you are working in the textile industry from last 6 months.
जी जी जी
So prior to that, what experience you have? Or you are just
SAP
passed
को
out?
6 month जी
Okay, because totally you are having only 6 months of experience. Okay, so that then recently passed out.
जी जी
Okay. Oh, no. Okay, fine. Rahul Sontake.
Hello,
Yeah, hi Rahul.
sir. My name is Rahul Sontake. I'm from Pune. Currently, I'm working in Verap Lighting from last 1 year
Okay,
as a in a PPC department.
okay, fine. Himanshu.
yes, sir.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. I am already introduced.
Oh, okay, sorry then. Okay, fine. Okay, last is Raju and Girija. Okay.
यस सर मेरा नाम राजू बिस्लाल गुजारे है
हम्म।
मैं भी पीपीसी इंजीनियर काम कर रहा हूँ औरंगाबाद ऑटो इंजीनियरिंग औरंगाबाद में ये एक ऑटो कंपनी है हम बजाज के वेंडर हैं हम और मैं करीबन 6 साल से पीपीसी में काम कर रहा हूँ
Okay.
यस
Okay, fine. Girija.
Sir, myself, I'm Girija. I'm from Bangalore.
Okay.
So I'm not working, sir. So I need to learn more to real-time work. So after that, I will join.
Okay, fine. Okay. So nice. So how confident you people are currently with the master data which has been taught? Okay. So that maybe it will helpful for me to go ahead with the next MRP topics. Okay. So
हेलो
yeah, yes, tell me.
सॉरी सर इंटरप्ट के लिए सर मैं एक बात बोलना चाहूँगा पिछले लेक्चर के लिए जो नीतीश सर लेक्चर सर जो हमारे अभी जो मास्टर डाटा हुए हैं ना जैसे बॉम्ब राउटिंग हो गया उसके बाद ये एमआरपी हुआ सर उसका मतलब उसमें उतना डिटेल पता नहीं चला सर उसमें कैसा है हमको प्रैक्टिस करने में भी उतनी परेशानी हुई है क्योंकि तो डेटा सर बैक एंड में जो सेटअप होना था वो हुआ नहीं और हमको न्यू क्रिएट करते नहीं आ रहा है वो तो प्रैक्टिस टोटली नेग्लिजिबल है सर
Okay. So to be frank, today only I came to know. मतलब अभी आज ही पता चला है मुझे भी तो to take the class. Okay. So maybe tomorrow I'll check the system. Okay. Once I'll log in and check the system, and then only I'll be able to tell you people what is happening. Okay. So this class maybe it is just an introduction and let me to understand currently what you people are. What is the status of this one ongoing class? Okay, so maybe next week onwards we will properly start. Maybe if you okay, so you are telling that you know what is master data, correct? But you are not practicing. Am I understood correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is no need to start or tell again the master data.
Sorry, sir.
Can you please give an overlook of master data?
Okay, fine. So as you people know that there are, you can consider production version also as a master data. Why? Because in S4 HANA, it is compulsory. Okay. production version. But master data for PP, it will start with material master. Okay, material master. Then once you create a material, so in a plant, okay. So next, what will happen? To produce that material, you may require the raw materials. Okay. So again, in material master also, what will happen? You have a material type. Okay, material type. What kind of material? It will be divided into material types. Okay, what kind of material? Either is it going to be manufactured or is it going to be procured for the manufacturing? So the raw material, or if people might be knowing that FERT, that is standard for it is called. It is for finished good. Okay, ROH. So that is for raw material. It's like that only. Then you will be having HALB, that is HALB, that is semi-finished good. Okay, so material is something which you will be selling or procuring or producing or storing. So that is called materials. To identify that material, you will give that material number. Okay, depending upon your business. So your convenient, maybe alphanumeric, numeric, what kind of numbering system you need, that numbering you will do for the master data, material master. Okay, so maybe depends upon the business volume. There might be 10,000 number of materials. Okay, in a particular business or in a particular plant. So this is material. So raw materials will make semi-finished good, and semi-finished good and raw materials together, or only raw materials or only semi-finished goods will make a finished good. Okay, and is it okay? I maybe you people, if you are interactive, then it will be good. Okay. If something is you have some doubt now, let me know. So that we can discuss and go further. Okay.
Raghunath sir, sorry.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Till
Okay.
now, yeah. Till now, is it okay? What is what I told? So raw material, finished good, and semi-finished good. Okay. The material types. Okay. Material will be divided. There are other materials also. So you may be having packaging materials. Okay. You have a material types.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Configurable materials.
Configurable materials are there.
Pipeline also.
Pipeline materials are there. Yes. So there are material types which will be produced or procured or stored. Okay, in a plant. Then you to produce that material, that finished good, you may require a bill of material. So what is bill of material? So bill of material is a list of components. Okay, with numbers, how many quantities are required to make a finished good. Maybe 2 raw materials are required to make 1 finished good. Okay, so that is called a bill of material. Bill of material consists total the unit of measure. Okay, quantities and description, and all together it will make a finished good. Okay, this is bill of material. So transactional codes and everything in the system we will see. Okay, today only I came to know, so that I may need some time to access the system. Okay, so this is bill of material.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So this bill of material, so what kind of semi-finished good or finished good you have a raw materials, how many quantities, that unit of measure, description. So you will be having that information. So now you will have a material. So that material BOM is ready. Okay, but you usually will be using sort of, there are other type of various types of BOMs are there. Okay, order BOM, sales order BOM, material BOM. You usually for you people it will be material BOM only. Okay, so now you have material and BOM. Next is routing. Okay, then routing, if you say simply, it is a list of steps which will be used to execute that material. or make it into finished good. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. So then production version, what will happen? This is a combination of bill of material and routing, which will make together to make a finished good. So maybe you, for single material, you might be having 2-3 routings or 3-4 bombs. So that the alternative combination, maybe routing 1 and bomb 1, maybe that will make a one production version. Okay, so routing 2 and bomb 1, and that will make another production version. Depending upon the strategy, it will be used. Okay, so the production versions. So in ECC it is not compulsory, but S/4HANA the production version is compulsory. In production version, you can define the issue storage location, receiving storage location. So what is issue storage location, issuing storage location, what is receiving storage location? So that when you are making a finished good, you may be you require the raw materials from where you want to pick. Okay, which storage location? So that is called receiving storage location. Issuing storage. Then receiving storage location. Once you do the finish, you complete the process of manufacturing, so you will get the finished good where you want to store initially. So that storage location you can define in the production version. Although you have you can define it in material master also, in BOM also, and in production also. It will take a priority once we start on the system. That time we will check on that. Okay. So now this much, okay, this much is the master data. So in brief, so if you have any doubts on the master data which has been completed right now, maybe we will discuss that. So after next week, from next week we will start on the MRP. Okay, material requirement planning. Is that okay for you people, or how it is?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay. Before going further, Manjunathi, we would like to have your introduction as well. With
Okay,
background.
sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. Okay, so my name is Manjunath. Okay, currently I'm working in discrete manufacturing industry. Okay, one of the semiconductor manufacturing. Okay, in SAP PP as a production planning as a consultant. Okay, I am having around total 14 plus years of experience. Not all in SAP. I used to be a aerospace engineer before coming to SAP. Okay, currently, so before this, I was working in S/4HANA for one discrete manufacturing for the electronics goods. Okay, I have worked in repetitive manufacturing, but I have not worked on the process industry. So here we are only dealing with the discrete manufacturing, correct?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
You people know that there are 3 types of manufacturing or production plannings are there in PP. Okay. So one is discrete manufacturing, one is repetitive manufacturing, and third one is process industry. Discrete manufacturing, where automotive industries, okay, semiconductors or aerospace, like heavy machines, they use the discrete manufacturing. Repetitive manufacturing, maybe chip manufacturing, where mass production will happen, no, where the production process is not that complicated. Maybe one chip, it may be there, and the product also, it will not change periodically. That time the repetitive manufacturing will be preferred. Actually, repetitive manufacturing is called as lean manufacturing, where there will not be a complicated process of manufacturing is involved. Okay, where in discrete manufacturing, usually there will be operations. Okay, you would define operations in the routing. What kind of operations will be done to get that finished good. You have a more advantage in discrete manufacturing. You have more control over the production and production process in the discrete manufacturing. Where in repetitive manufacturing, you will not be having that much of control over the process. You understood, no? So where simple manufacturing is there, but continuous in mass productions are done. So there this repetitive manufacturing process will be used. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So in process industry, what will happen? Process, you might be knowing dairy production or pharmaceutical, chemical,
Yes, sir.
pharmaceutical. So there, what will happen? The process of converting one raw material into finished good will happen, but when you reverse it, you will not get the raw material. You understood? Once once in the process of making curd or making a paneer or making some milk product, you start from raw material as a milk. So after completion or once the process is complete, so if you reverse that process, you will not get the milk. Okay. So you understood, no? In pharmaceutical, what will happen? You to manufacturing
Tablets
one
or
tablet. Yeah. So you mix up with all the ingredients and you make a one tablet. But if you break it, it will not give you a raw materials which
raw
you use to
materials.
produce it. Yeah, that is called process industry. Okay. But in discrete manufacturing, what will happen if you are manufacturing one engine of any car or any vehicle? If you disassemble it, you will get raw materials.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the difference between process industry and discrete manufacturing. But if it is a mass production and you have a very simple process of production, maybe one or two processes, maybe some nut or bolt will be added or some welding, soldering will be done or something. So very simple tasks. So that one, what will happen? You will go for repetitive manufacturing. So there are very rare situations where you will go repetitive manufacturing. But repetitive manufacturing is continuous production, mass production, and it is for lean manufacturing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the organizational structure has been told. So what is a company code? What is plant code? What is warehouse? And what is storage location? All those things have done, or are you
Is
people
there
aware of
some
what is?
plan?
Yeah.
Plant code is maybe different, but some it's actually few days before I used CA01, 02, 03 like that. That is standard, right?
CA01, what is that?
For routing and all, material routing and all.
Okay, so that is to create, to create the routing. Okay.
Yeah. 02 for display and 03 for edit like that.
No. I'm not. I'm asking about the organizational structure. So organizational structure is nothing but you are working in a plant or in a business unit or in a warehouse or a company or industry. Okay.
Okay.
So it has a company code like Tata. Tata has various Tata Steels is there, Tata Pharmaceuticals is there or not, I don't know. Maybe it has various divisions, correct?
Yes.
To check the profit and loss, they will be having some entity, that is highest entity, that is called company code.
Yes, available. I know about that.
Yeah, okay. So that company code, it will be having some other plants. Maybe one plant is in Pune, one plant is in Bangalore, one plant is Chennai. So you will be having different plants under one company code. Maybe maybe Tata Steels. Tata Steels has some 2-3 maybe plants where they will produce some some kind of steel bars or some kind of sheets or something in one plant. Maybe in another plant, maybe they are producing something else. Okay. So under that plant, you will be having storage location and warehouses. Okay. This is organizational structure. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how you people are practicing? So you will be you people are creating yourself as a material and then you are practicing, or how it is? So 10 classes meet. So if I approximately assume that 8 to 9 class means, so from last 1 month, your class has been started, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
So you people have created
My
this
own way, sir. He is not given any works and all.
Oh, okay, okay. So you people have not created any materials.
We created in our own, sir.
Okay, that is fine. But however, but
We didn't
you are
check
doing
though.
practice.
Haha.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so maybe till next class, I request you people to create two raw materials. Okay, ROH. Okay, and one or two SFG, semi-finished good. Okay, one or two finished good. Okay.
Okay,
So if you go to just check any plant, okay, maybe in 1000 or something, you go to MM01. Maybe you can copy from any material, or you can create materials. Let us check and you. So after that we can, if any fields or any information is missing, we will create that. But by coming coming next week, maybe whatever you have created, that is fine. But till next week, what you people do? You create 2-3 raw materials, semi-finished goods, 2-3, and 2 the finished good. Okay, in any plant. Okay. So next you can create 1-2 bombs with that finished good. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Please make a
Okay.
note of this one. Then routing, then production version. Okay. If you have any doubts, please ping in the group. Maybe so we can check that. But till next week, maybe it should be ready. Maybe it will not take that much time, but it is better you people create it and make it ready, so that we will start working on that only. We will the complete production planning process we will complete with that only. Okay. So you might be knowing what is PP cycle, production planning cycle. Are you aware of this one, or how it is?
No, sir.
Okay. So production here, what will happen? You have a master data and you will be having transactional data. Okay.
Okay.
Master data, what will happen? Master data, it is a non-changing, or you can say that rarely or very occasionally changing data. Okay, master data. Transactional data, what will happen? You will use the master data for your transaction of the plant or the organization or the business. Okay, that master
Okay.
data. Okay, so what will happen? You have a material master, bill of material, routing, production version. So work center also. Okay, you might be knowing what is work center, correct? Any place where you will produce the finished good.
Page good, yes.
Yeah, that is a place. It may be a machine, or for QC people it might be a table, or whatever it may be. You will be defining some work centers in an organization, so where you will execute the production process.
Finish.
You have you have a master data, material master, work center, BOM, and routing and production version. You have this one. So after that, what will happen? Once you have ready with the master data, then what you will do? You run the MRP. Okay, material requirement planning. You do. So in material requirement planning, what will happen? What will happen? So the process, this once you run the material requirement planning, what will happen? System will check. So what are the materials available in the storage location for to get the finished good? Okay. So maybe you have a delivery date. You have a delivery date of today is 20th, 30th. Okay. 30th is a delivery date of one finished good, maybe XYZ finished good. So what will happen once you run the MRP today? It will consider that day, 30th date. So to manufacture the finished good, how many days? It will calculate the working days, not on the holidays. So it will calculate total number of working days. To make it as a finished good, you maybe require 1 or 2 days. So maybe consider that now we have 6 working days. Okay, 6 working days. In six working days, what will happen? 2 days it required for manufacturing of finished good. So left what? How many days left out? 4 days left out. In 4 days, what will happen? It will check. So raw materials are there or not. If raw material is missing, so to get the raw material, what will happen? System will create one purchase requisition. Okay. So that purchase requisition will be converted into purchase order. Okay. So that purchase order, they will send it to vendor. Okay. The vendor will ship it and then you receive it in your warehouse or storage location. So how much time it will require? If it may require more than 4 days, then what will happen? It will postpone the process. Okay. It will calculate the time and it will tell when you can deliver that finished good a new date. Okay.
Okay.
So in MRP, what will happen? So it will check the here you have 2 kinds of MRP type. Okay. So that MRP we will discuss in detail. Okay. You have internally produced material and externally produced material. Procurement type you have. So if it is E, it will be produced in house. If it is F, it is produced in. It will be procured from outside. Okay. So you might be knowing now what is procurement type in Material Master. Are you people aware?
Yes, sir.
Somewhat I heard that.
Okay, fine. So what will happen? Depending upon the procurement type, either it will be produced in-house or procured from vendors.
External vendor.
External vendors. So now what has happened? So you have run the MRP and you got the procurement elements. So once the MRP completes, okay, once the MRP completes, you will get the procurement elements, either planned orders or purchase requisitions. Okay. So maybe these words it will be new to you people. Okay, planned orders or purchase requisitions. Planned order, you can convert it into purchase requisitions or production orders. Okay. So production order, what will be having? So production order, it is compromised with the dates from start, when it will start, when it will end, what type of it will be. It will be all the master data will be copied to the production order. Okay, all the master data means which finished good you are manufacturing, what is the bill of material of that, what is the routing of that, so where, which work center it is going to produce, what step by step execution process. Okay, so once you will create the production order, creation of the production order will happen, then you release the production order. Okay. So once after release of the production order, next what will happen? You will confirm the processes, operations. Okay, you will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe depends upon the business. Okay, maybe 4 operations you have, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will happen? You will confirm. Okay, so what is the production order? It will be having some quantity, 10 numbers of finished goods will be produced. Okay, so what will happen in operation? What will when you confirm? either you can confirm it as a partial or fully confirmed. Okay, here you can define the scraps also. Okay, byproducts also. So you can confirm 1, 2, 3, 4 option. All the operations once it will be confirmed, then what will happen? You will do goods issue and goods receipt will be done. Okay, what is goods issue? Goods issue means issuing of raw materials to get that finished good. Okay, receiving of the finished good is what? Once you finish once you are done with the production process, you will get the finished good. You will receive that this one finished good. Okay, so this here, what will happen? You will be having some movement types. So from where the material came and what are the process, we'll see in that. Okay, what will happen when you consume the raw materials, and once you get the finished good, what will happen? So that movement types you will be knowing. Okay, so that we will discuss in detail. So here, what will happen? So now you have converted the raw materials into finished good. Okay, so after that, what will happen? Finance will check the this one, the transactional entries. Okay, finance will check what is how much cost is involved in for raw materials, how much is for operations, how much scrap, how much is what is the byproduct, everything it will be calculated. So this is how one PP production cycle will happen. Okay, is it clear? Hello?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear. It's clear.
Yeah. Maybe so for now it will be okay. After going in detail, you people will come to know. So that will be we'll see that in our upcoming classes. Okay. Okay. So today I think if you don't have any questions, I request you people to prepare the master data in any plant. Okay. So that master data you will use to run this PP cycle. Okay, till settlement of the production order. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you don't have any questions, then maybe I'll close today. From next class onwards, we'll seriously start with the system. Is that fine?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
Okay then. Okay. See you all.
Okay,
Good day.
sir. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.